Hey everyone, hope you're doing awesome. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, if you're already part of this fam, thank you so much for joining me again today. Let's talk. Let's talk. Is how you're wearing your makeup working for you, making you look young and fresh and all that good stuff, or is it actually aging you? So today I want to share with you guys on some of the makeup tips that you need to look into when wearing your makeup, just to make sure that you're not aging yourself. Okay, so yeah, let's get into the video. The first thing you need to look into is how you wear your foundation and how much of it you wear. Wear enough foundation. Don't go overboard with foundation. Just cover what you need to cover. Use a thin layer. Spread it out, blend into the skin. Wearing too much foundation actually makes you look way older. It will get into your fine lines. It will not look cute at all. So yeah, you need to consider that the next time you wear foundation. Stop over concealing under your eye area. The skin under your eye area is very thin, so you don't want to over conceal over there. It will make you look way older. The makeup will start to separate under there and it will not look nice. In fact, not everyone needs to conceal under the eye area. You can actually use your foundation to just make it look okay. If you have really dark eye circles, then use a color corrector and then use a concealer. Just make sure you've used enough and blend it really well. If you can, avoid thick black liners on your upper eyelids because they tend to make the eyelid look way heavier than they actually are, and those add some more years to your age. So yeah, avoid it if you can, unless of course you are going for that droopy eyelid kind of situation, kind of look. Avoid going overboard with dark lip liners when applying your lipstick or when working with your lips. So what it does is it will give an illusion of a small lip, and if you've gone overboard, it will tend to make it look way thinner. And the thing about looking young is having a full lip, so using really dark lip liners before applying your lipstick tend to just make it look way thinner and way older. The other thing you need to consider is use cream-based lip liners instead of the dry lip liners. The dry ones tend to tag on any dry skin that you might have on your lips and it will not look great. Use finishing powders that have a glow in them in your final steps of your makeup application. Youthful skin reflects light, so you want to achieve the same after you're done doing your makeup. If you don't have powders that can give that kind of glow, you can use setting sprays after you're done with your makeup, such as the MAC Fix Plus or any other setting sprays that can actually bring back that healthy glow in your skin. Last but not least, don't use too dark eyebrow pencil when doing your makeup. Don't. Just avoid way dark eyebrow pencils. Go for an eyebrow pencil that is a bit lighter than your natural color of your eyebrows. So like what I do is go for brown eyebrow pencils instead of black or dark brown, depending on the shade of your skin tone. Just make sure you're not going too dark. That's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you have any tips that have been working for you and making you look way younger, share with me. I'd love to look into those and add them into my basket of tips. So until the next one, peace, love and makeup.